Before registering in classes at CBU. When registering in classes at CBU, we strongly suggest you access some helpful online resources. Your pre-nursing fact sheet guides you not only on course selection, but academic planning and preparation for your application to the CBU College of Nursing. This resource includes application timelines and eligibility information, a pre-nursing academic plan worksheet, and sample plans. To access your pre-nursing fact sheet, go to Inside CBU and click the Academics tab at the top. Then scroll down and click the Traditional Students link in the lower left, followed by the Major Planning Guides link in the center of the screen. Scroll to the accordion file tied to the catalog year you will be starting at CBU. Then scroll to and click the Pre-Nursing Fact Sheet. Again, your pre-nursing fact sheet will include 3 items. It may be helpful to print these in preparation for your enrollment. The 3 items you will be using are 1. The College of Nursing application timeline and eligibility information, 2. The pre-nursing course planning worksheet, and 3. Sample plans. For today, we will primarily look at the planning worksheet and sample plans. In the next video, you will be guided to your unofficial transcript. It's important to review this as you may have already satisfied certain requirements prior to admission to CBU. Be sure to check these off your worksheet prior to registration. Most students who apply to the CBU College of Nursing pursue a 4.5-year plan. Many find this most appealing as it permits the student time needed to complete essential requirements while also remaining competitive. Students who have completed certain pre-nursing requisites in transfer can consider the 4-year plan. Even so, we would urge caution if you have too many remaining unmet requisites as you are entering a competitive admission process and want nothing but the highest grades possible. Freshmen who enter CBU with a Math 095 or English 113E placement cannot pursue the 4-year program and should instead select from the 4.5 or 5-year program. All prerequisites must be completed with a grade of a C or better, although it is best to earn higher as too many C's on your transcript will result in not meeting the minimum GPA requirements. You will need to achieve minimum application GPAs prior to admission. These include a 3.0 cumulative GPA and a 2.8 science GPA. Remember, you should strive for higher as this program is competitive. The lab component of science courses must be completed in an in-person format. Students with CBU residency are considered before transfer students. Residency is defined as being enrolled at CBU in 12 or more units within the year prior to starting the BSN program. The BSN program is highly competitive. 192 students are accepted each year, 96 in the fall and 96 in the spring. The College of Nursing uses a holistic admissions process that looks at 3 things. First is metrics, which includes your cumulative and science GPAs, along with your TEAS score. Second is experience, which includes volunteer and co-curricular experiences, some of which must be in a medical setting. And finally, passion to serve, which is most often reflected in your letters of recommendation, input from faculty, and College of Nursing admission essay.